Hey guys, welcome to College U. This is Eric Shanahan, and in this example, we will be looking at how to use synthetic division to solve polynomials. And so we use synthetic division when we're trying to divide polynomials. And so let's begin by simply trying to set this up. The problem is a squared minus 28 is divided by a minus 5. So in order to do this, we look at the leading coefficients of the first expression. So it's technically a 1 here, right? So it's 1 and then negative 28. But notice, we skip a. So it goes from a squared to 28. But anytime we're dividing polynomials, it has to go in descending order. We can't skip over 1. So what we're going to do is put a placeholder in of 0. 0a. Likewise. So what we're going to do then, inside of the L, we're going to put only the leading coefficients of each expression. So technically there's a 1 here, so it's going to be 1, 0, and there's no variable attached to the last one, so it's just going to be 28. So 1, 0, 28. Now, what goes outside of here, what goes here, is the opposite of the number that you see here. So this says a minus 5, or negative 5. So it's going to be 5. It's the opposite number of what you see. Now, you bring down the 1 in the first in this first slot right here. You always just bring that down. Then you say, okay, so that's just 1. And now here is what we have to do. Whatever's outside of the L, we do 5 times 1. We multiply. So 5 times 1, well, that's going to be 5. Now inside of here, we always add 0 plus 5, well, that's going to be 5. 5 times 5, well, that's going to be 25. Oh, and be careful, I made a mistake here, my apologies. Make sure this should actually be negative 28, because it still follows the format, so this should be negative 28. Okay, and then, so negative 28 plus 25, well, that's going to be negative 3. Now, in following of descending order, we just bring down the expression by 1. So, it's not going to be 1a squared anymore. It's actually going to be 1a. Now, this one we can't change, so it's just going to be 1a plus 5. And then here, this is called our remainder. So, it's going to be minus 3 over our divisor, a minus 5. So this is our answer to the problem. It's going to be 1a plus 5 minus 3 divided by a minus 5. Please feel free to ask more questions, and we will see you soon.